Okay, so it's been about 2 months since I had the OnePlus Open, and you guys saw my review where I gave it an excellent, pretty much 5-star review across the board. This was my phone of the year for 2023, and I've been using this phone now pretty much every single day use. I have a lot of phones because I like to review them for the channel, but this is the phone that I used every single day. An issue with it was that one day when I was out and about and I opened it, I noticed some dead pixels in the middle. It almost looked like a sliver of some kind of black hole vortex that was opening up in the middle. And because of that, I actually couldn't touch the middle of the screen because it was just completely freak out. But the thing is, the front of the phone works just fine. It works just like normal, how it should, right? But when you open it, that's where the dead pixels kind of came up. And it got progressively worse as well. So I opened it up, and instead of just that black little sliver, it then eventually went and expanded all the way into splitting the phone completely in half with those black dead pixels. Now, I didn't drop the phone. I didn't do anything to the phone. I just used it every single day. I didn't even was rough on it or anything like that. When it came to opening and closing, I consider myself to be somebody who babies their phones, right? Now, fast forward to about 1 week after that dead pixel thing came in half. You open it now and check this out. I kid you not, you guys. Half the screen is dead pixels. This is insane. Like, the entire half of the screen is gone. You can actually see, if I go close enough here with the camera, if you look through the light, you can see where the screen cracked. There's one line here, and one line here as well. So you can see where the screen cracked, which is gnarly. So what I did was I reached out to OnePlus via email. And the reason why I say via email, because I tried to reach out to them via phone and I actually got hung up on 3 times. So I decided probably easier to reach out via email. They hit me back within about 24 hours. And I told them about this, even though it was past, I think, my warranty of like 30 days or something like that. And they still honored, I would hope at least, to fix my screen. They emailed me a shipping label. So after this video, I'm actually going to go package this up in a box and then put the shipping label on it, send it to UPS and see what they do. I'll keep you guys updated if they're going to honor this or not. I actually posted about this on Reddit as well, and it got pretty popular and it got a lot of upvotes with a lot of comments of people saying that they're experiencing the same thing. So this is not like a one-off instance of this happening. Now, I'm not one to come on video and kind of make like a scathing review about a product, because I believe even if products, do end up like this, unfortunately, maybe through manufacturing defects or whatever, it's about how their customer service handles it, and it's about how their customer service responds to situations like this. So it's one thing for a product to unfortunately underperform in this way, but it's another thing completely to see how their customer service responds. I'm all about giving brands a second chance and not being so black and white about things. So just want to let you know that, forewarned, this could happen to you. There is a potential, but what we're not looking for is that the fact that this happened. What I'm going to pay attention to is how their customer service treats me, how long this process takes, if they honor it, if it ends up costing me anything. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know and keep you updated that my phone of the year was a folding phone of the year, and unfortunately, essentially sliced in half and dead pixeled out on the entire left side. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on this. Subscribe if you want to keep up with this story, and we will see you guys again very soon. All right, catch y'all later.